Nick, you ready?
I am ready.
Let's do it. Hey guys, what is going on? We are out here at the Lakeshore Dock, and like I told you guys in this past week, we got the kayaks with us. So we're going to be throwing these kayaks out. We've got some shrimp, we've got some live shiners we're going to be throwing out. It's going to be pretty fun, so we're going to get everything situated, and I will talk to you guys out on the water. We got this is what we got. It's just, maiden voyage, so I don't really know what I'm doing here, but I got my bag down here with stuff in it, sunblock, things of that nature, drinks. Life vest. Floating net that I got from Academy, 20 bucks, great deal. We got our noisemaker. You're supposed to have a noisemaker on the boat, so we got our whistle there. We got the two rods we were using yesterday, Pink Lion on them. Got my lock box there, my dry box there. Same thing that I was throwing yesterday. I've also got some live shiners there, so hopefully that'll give us some good stuff. We got the deeper with us as well, so we're gonna be throwing that out, seeing what we're looking there. We're gonna be mapping a little bit of Doctor's Lake here, which is what we're looking at over here. Got my fish grips, got everything I need. Got my GoPro. And then this is Nick's over here. He's got a crate here, which I think I'm gonna get. We've got shrimp in there. He's got 3 rods as well, 2 there. And then his bait caster, and then all his stuff. So that's his. He actually painted this himself a little while ago, but I think he's gonna redo it. But looking good. Okay. But let's get out there, let's get on the water, and have a good time. All right, we're gonna go ahead and get the kayaks in real quick. Yeah, we're gonna go down an angle right there, I think. All right, so we're heading out. I've never disembarked on a kayak like this before, but we're gonna go for it. Oh, buddy, we are off. No, we're not. Okay, now we're off. Oh yeah, no, this is definitely supposed to be at the end here. You're right. Yeah, that's water shields. No, I got it, but sorry, I was getting the deeper set up. We're at about 2 foot right now. Yeah. Yeah. Oh yeah, we're getting out there now. 4 foot, 5 foot. Nah, it's probably too shallow. All right, I'm gonna put the deeper up just for a little bit. Let's get back up towards that creek. We are now out at the first spot. I'm putting everything up for the deeper. Probably gonna throw a live shiner out, I'm thinking. I feel like that'll be good. I'm gonna lower this a lot because the deeper told me that it's only 2 foot here. So we're gonna lower that bad boy down probably there. I'm gonna throw out the anchor here. First time I've ever used the anchor, as you guys can tell. Deploy that bad boy. Sick. Oh my God, what have I done? And then I'm gonna tie on the top water. Oh yeah, I got one. Oh yeah, that's a good one. Stay down, stay down. Whoa, oh yeah. Fish grips. Actually, I have a net, what the fuck am I doing? Oh my God. This guy ain't fucking around. Oh, buddy. Oh my God. Holy shit. Woo. Oh my God, okay. Oh my God. Well, I fucking got my shit tangled in the net, but let me get this guy unhooked. Okay. Woo! Woo, buddy! Oh my God. Yeah, buddy, that is a big boy right there. Oh my God, look at that. Top water plug, I threw it as soon as it hit the water, boom. Oh my God, look at that. Look at that, you guys. First topwater bass of the year. Oh my God, that's insanity. I think I'm actually gonna stand up and weigh this buddy because I'm actually in like a foot of water right here. So I'm just gonna mosey on out of the boat real quick. All right, so we're gonna get a weight on this guy real quick. Ooh, 5 pounds on the dot. 5 pounds exactly. Yeah. Oh my God, look at that. Oh, that's a big bass, buddy. We're gonna get some underwater footage of this guy swimming away because I can do that now. Underwater footage. I'm gonna hold him there so he's ready to go. That was cool. Oh, buddy. Hold up. Here, I'll reel it. You win some, you lose some, buddy. Don't beat yourself up about it. Oh, yeah, dude. They're hitting hard. Here, I'll show you what I was using. Come here. And this net is rubber lined, so it won't actually hurt the fish, which was one of the main reasons I bought it. The other main reason was that it floats, so I don't lose it. All right, there's one side. All right, so this is what I was using. Little chug and plug here. Just jerking along, but as soon as it hit the water, and I'm talking as soon as it hit the water, we hit it. All right, so there's, I guess, a spring fed, like this little inlet right here, spring fed. Nick was trying to show it to me, but unfortunately, it looks like Irma. As you can see by the damage around me, there's too much damage. So we're looking for a drop-off point right now. It's just a gradual decline. I'm not seeing a shell for nothing. Oh, I'm headed out to that sign, see if I can't find something. Oh, I just marked a fish. Yeah, little one, nothing big. Sick. So we're out here at the Lakeshore Dock, and I'm sure this is not the most stable footage, but whatever. But look at that, dude. Something is burning really, really bad over there. That's the Orange Park side of town. So I don't really know what's going on, but something is definitely on fire. That is a lot of smoke. Like a lot more smoke than just like a bonfire, even a controlled burn. That is like thick black smoke. I don't know what's going on, but that's, wow. So Nick and I are now at Whitey's. We're gonna put in here, but we're gonna grab Bite to Eat first, hopefully, if it's not too packed. And then,
it is though, but we should be fine.
Yeah, it looks packed, but we're gonna do it anyways. We're hungry. I'm fucking starving. Let's go get some food. So, Nick just lost, I'm gonna guess probably a 4-pound bass. Yeah, number 3, bass number 3. Little gar here. Oh, shit. All right, that's what we're looking at here. Look at the teeth on this guy. This is what we got. Prehistoric fish, it's crazy looking. Didn't get the hook set on camera, but I'm running out of battery, so I'm trying to preserve. Look at that, that's crazy. We're gonna get some underwater footage of this guy and let him go. There he goes. Okay, nope. Nope. Nope, the bugs are out, I'm going back, fuck this. Nope, I'm not about all that shit, no. We got the kayaks in the truck now. Now we're gonna go grab a bite to eat at Whitey's. We opted not to earlier because we wanted to get out there and fish. I lost one on top water. I caught that little gar. Nick, you lost two?
Lost 4.
4 here. He lost 4.
We were hooked up for sure. Got him almost to the kayak.
One was like right there.
Yeah, and the thing about kayak fishing, right? If you're bass fishing, or any type of fishing, let's say, when you set the hook, it's a lot more difficult because you're not firmly planted on the ground. So
Yeah, definitely.
a different way that you got to do it. You probably got to go straight, even with the water as possible. Maybe up, as if you're out of the water standing. We're still trying to learn that. I'm rusty. That's his first.
Yeah.
We'll figure it out next time.
Yeah, for sure. We're, I don't know, next time we might do a little bit of salt water, more fresh water, I don't know. Who knows, but thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys like this, leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Tell your friends. See you guys next time. Peace.